Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to record clean HDMI output on Sony A6400. Let's begin. Now, when you are connecting by default to an HDMI source, you might encounter an issue when you, on for example TV, see every single icon on your camera. Now, for some people it might be helpful, but most people really want a clean HDMI output. In order to achieve that output, we first need to go to the menu, and then we want to go to the fourth page of the setup menu. Now, in here we want to go to HDMI settings, and after scrolling down, we can see HDMI info display. Currently it is set to on. We simply want to disable this, and as you can see, if we click the trash bin icon, we will see that information is not displayed on the TV display and the monitor display is automatically on. So with only a simple check, now we can see that we won't see any kind of things as we have. We can also check the control for HDMI, though as you can see, it's not really necessary. Though, of course, if you want to, you can change this option as well. But the most important thing is that HDMI info display to set to off, and now you should have a clean HDMI output. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.